Vishnu ma'am, kindly proceed.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone present online. I feel immense pleasure to introduce our resource person of the session, Mr. Komal Srinivas, Tech Specialist, UTC, Hyderabad. He is a certified blockchain developer serving leading MNCs with sophisticated ideologies. He is also an active participant in training programs for various corporates. With a bachelor's degree, he and his team always strive to give the best outputs and solve issues within every short span. Currently, he is working as a
With a
tech
bachelor's
specialist
degree,
at
he
UTC
and his team
Hyderabad
always
and he
strive to
has
give the
an
best
overall 10
outputs
plus years
and
solve
solve issues
expertise.
within.
It's a great privilege to have you here, sir, and we feel extremely honored by your presence. On behalf of VCET and Department of Computer Science and Engineering, we once again welcome you, sir. Now let us invite our resource person, Mr. Komal
On behalf of
Srinivas, sir, to take
VCET
over
and
the session.
Department of Computer Science and Engineering,
Thank you, ma'am.
we once again welcome you, sir. Now let us invite our resource person, Mr. Komal
On behalf of
Srinivas, sir, to take
VCET
over
and
the session.
Department of Computer Science and Engineering,
Thank you, ma'am.
We once again welcome you, sir.
I hope that you all are visualizing my screen.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right. Thank you, ma'am. So today our agenda is that to understand about the Ethereum components. That is our major intention. So in order to know about the Ethereum, first of all, where this Ethereum will comes under. I think so that in the previous your previous lectures, you might be understand about the Ethereum. You might be come across this word called as an Ethereum. So let me start from that point. Why? Because you might be heard about the types of blockchain. So whenever I am talking about the types of blockchain, which it means that there is a possibility of writing a blockchain concept. I can start that like whatever the blockchains are there, that I can segregate into the majorly like a public blockchain and as well as the private blockchain. So majorly these are the two categories are there. Right, somebody is telling that one more is there that is called as a consortium blockchain, or somebody is calling it as a off chain, somebody is calling it the hybrid blockchain, something like that way. Okay, these all things, the combination of these two only. Why? Because we know that whenever we are talking about the inheritance, we are talking about that we have the several number of inheritance. After that, the hybrid inheritance means that more than one inheritance concept. If we are merging it, then we'll get it as a hybrid inheritance, something like that way, right? So these are the two major criterias. One is a public blockchain, and whereas the private blockchain. What is the meaning of public blockchain? The public blockchain means that now whenever a node wants to join to the blockchain network, then no need to take any permission from anyone. That is a public blockchain. Whereas the private blockchain, suppose if I am taking a node, if you want to join into the blockchain network, then they have to take the permission. So a private blockchain is called as a permissioned blockchain, whereas the public blockchain is a permissionless blockchain, right? So in these are the two major criteria. So in the public blockchain, the major example for the public blockchain is a Ethereum. So it should